Hi, parametric furnitures are so popular, so I decided to put them in my channel. Some of them are so easy, but building most of them needs experience. So we just start with a simple coffee table. You can just CNC the plan, which I don't recommend because it's too much waste of materials, especially in this project. You can see details in plan at the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We have 20 wooden frames assembled with dowel joints. This coffee table has two parts which are next to each other. Next parametric design, it's the chair you saw in the video. Just practice and get ready for that. Every 10 frames are connected by 4 screws. Dimensions are available in the plan. Don't forget to use spacers while you are assembling. Also be careful, you should rotate the screws one by one into 9 frames at the same time. And when the screws reach the last frame, you can put the first frame. If you need more guides, just write in comments or send me an email. Have a good day, bye.